Hello everyone. Today we have some very sad news from the music world. Popular American musician Oliver Tree has reportedly passed away at the age of 32 after a tragic helicopter collision in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. According to reports, two helicopters collided in mid-air on June 14, 2026. Sadly, all 6 people involved in the accident lost their lives. Authorities are currently investigating what caused the collision. Oliver Tree, whose full name was Oliver Tree Nickel, was known around the world for his unique style, creative music videos, and hit songs such as Life Goes On, Miss You, and Alien Boy. His music blended pop, electronic, alternative, and hip-hop sounds, making him one of the most distinctive artists of his generation. At the time of the accident, Oliver Tree was in Brazil as part of his massive world tour. He had recently performed in Sao Paulo and was preparing for upcoming shows in Europe. Fans were excited to see him continue what he called the biggest tour of his career. Throughout his career, Oliver Tree became famous not only for his music but also for his unforgettable personality. His signature bowl cut, haircut, colorful outfits, and humorous videos helped him stand out in the entertainment industry. Millions of people followed his work across social media and streaming platforms. News of his passing spread quickly across the internet, with fans, fellow musicians, and creators sharing messages of sadness and remembrance. Many people described him as a creative artist who was never afraid to be different and always encouraged others to be themselves. While the investigation into the helicopter collision continues, Oliver Tree's music and unique artistic legacy will remain with fans around the world. His songs brought entertainment, energy, and creativity to millions of listeners. Our thoughts are with his family, friends, and fans during this difficult time. Thank you for watching. If you found this update informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more news updates. See you in the next video.